Okay guys, so I'm here at the hotel. So as you're coming through the door, you see the kitchen area, refrigerator, washer, dishwasher, the stove, coffee maker, the sink. There's a chair underneath here. This is like a dining table section. And over here you have some cupboards. I guess there's dishes and stuff in there. No, it is empty. But let's see if they have plates, cause oh yes, they got plates in here and cups. Nice. I can make a full course meal right on this. Okay, so here is the living room area, and you have the desk here, and then you have the TV. Big old separation section, and then you walk into the bedroom. These beds are huge as heck. I love them. They're super huge, but I love them. And then you go to this side, you go to the bathroom, and here we have the bathroom. Got the sink going on, and then you have the mirrors on this side, and then on this side you have the shower. And then the toilet. So very spacious. This reminds me of like a studio. Like literally, it just remind me of a studio. So basically, our bags were getting wet, and these people just standing there blocking us for us not getting our bags. And we're like, excuse me, can we get our bags? Excuse me. And I'm like, I have to reach the point, and I'm like, guys, can you guys just back up a little bit? Because we're telling you excuse me, but you guys not budging, and our bags are getting wet. So can you just back up just a little bit, please? Thank you. It's not that difficult. You know what I'm saying? So finally got the bags. All our bags are wet. Yep. Now we're going inside out of the rain. We're pulling our bags to go inside. Guess who blocking the doors? Right. Now I stop saying excuse me and just start walking. And then they start moving. Because I'm like, not sure which part of us you don't see coming in. And it's not like you're going anywhere. Because it's pouring rain as heck outside. So I don't get that. And it's like 5 o'clock, 5 something in the morning. Way too early for that. Anywho, they're having breakfast downstairs. Breakfast starts at 6, so I have a few minutes. I am gonna go try. I'm gonna take my bags, my uniform out of my bag. So my bag is completely wet, and my lunch bag is completely wet because of those people blocking the friggin' way for me to get my bag. So my bags were out in the rain, getting wet. So I have to take my stuff out, and hopefully my bag can dry and not smell by tomorrow, cause it's ridiculous. And we leave out tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. shuttle. So it's so funny, you guys see that we leave from one state that is okay to another state that is snowing to another state that is raining, and my shoes are wet. I have snowshoes, but they got wet. So yeah, the struggle. And I was trying not to let my weave get wet. I'm gonna get the breakfast to go and then put it in the fridge and then microwave it later when I wake up, because I'm exhausted, man. We have 2 long legs. It was like 2 red eyes. Literally like 2 red eyes, because we've been flying since 4:30 yesterday, 4:30 p.m. yesterday, and now it's 5 something in the morning. And these flights seem so long. I don't know if because of the time change, or the time went back, why the flight seems so long. It felt like forever. Like literally felt like forever. According to the forecast, it says it's gonna be raining all day. It's supposed to stop in the afternoon. No, it says it's gonna be raining most of the morning, so it probably may stop in the afternoon. I don't know how that's gonna go, cause yeah, we'll see how that goes. I wanted to work out and everything, so I think I'm gonna go to sleep, then probably get up and work out. Probably get up at 12 or something like that, work out, and then probably go to bed around 6 p.m. 7. I believe we have 4 or 5 legs. I don't know. I'll tell y'all tomorrow about that. So my other crew member went into her room to take her clothes out of her suitcase because her suitcase got soaking wet too. And we're gonna meet downstairs for breakfast. So I get okay, guys. So I went downstairs for breakfast. I got a omelet, fresh omelet, banana fileta, and I got this. I don't know why I got that egg. Actually, I got this egg before the omelet came out. So bacon, potatoes, and eggs. And this is my oatmeal. But I'm gonna eat the oatmeal now. And I'm probably gonna eat the omelet now too. And then later I eat the rest. So this is gonna be my breakfast for today. And I'll come back to you guys later because I'm gonna take a nap after I eat this. It stopped raining. And I'm just so tired. And I'm hungry. And I don't feel like getting up right now. The struggle is real. But because I have to get up, yeah, I have to get up out of the bed. My show time tomorrow is 5:30. So in order for me to go to bed, to get enough sleep, I have to get up now. So tired. I need to start getting my iron pills since the temperatures are changing, the climates are changing and stuff. I need to get my iron in. Since it's winter time, we're not gonna get much sun or anything like that, so I need to have vitamin D for the winter. So I need to get the vitamin D in also, and vitamin C in. My eyes feel tired, but my body doesn't feel tired, if that makes sense. My eyes feel exhausted. So what I'm gonna do is now I am going to probably brush my teeth, get something to eat, upload a video real quick, and oh, I need to book my mama's flight because she is non-revving. So I need to book her flight because she's non-revving. My sister is gonna be non-revving too. Non-revving just means that they are on a flight attendant benefits. They're using the flight attendant benefits. That's what non-revving is. Then is that a paid confirm seat? They don't pay the full price. They only pay the taxes. So I'm going to do that. My mom said she wasn't feeling well. She was thinking about going to the hospital, but she wanted to fly today, and I told her, don't fly today. If you're not feeling well, don't fly. Like, I see a lot of people who don't feel well and they fly, and that's a dangerous thing because people don't understand. I know of passengers who passed away on the flight. We do have certain medication on board, but flight attendants are not doctors, so we can't use them. So but yeah, if you're sick, guys, if you're sick to the point that you can barely walk, you know you need to go to the hospital and stuff like that, don't be flying. Like, it's a dangerous thing for you to do. Don't do it, because you flying, that probably could be your last time alive. When you're in your room looking downstairs and you didn't bring any bathing suit. Yeah, no bathing suit. As you guys can see, I left from snow to rain to sun, no bathing suit. This is the life of a flight attendant, y'all. So this is what I'm having for dinner. So the breakfast from this morning, have remainder, chicken, salad, and this juice right here, what I got from Walmart. So that's my dinner for tonight. Yes, I am so sorry. I went in before I even do the video. So this is my snack for tonight, and it's now 9:49 p.m. and I have to be up by 3 a.m. for my van time at 5:30. So it's a snack, and I probably may have another snack because I feel hungry as heck. I don't know why, but I'm hungry. Let's see what's in the refrigerator. Okay, yep, this is all that's in the refrigerator for me that I brought. A yogurt, I probably take a yogurt and then drink my shake. So when I went on my date, right, my date bought this for me and said I must drink it because it's super healthy. So my crazy self tried it. When he said it was super healthy, he was absolutely right. It was super healthy. Look at this, guys. This is the ingredients that's inside of it. And when I tell you, taste every ingredient inside of it. Only thing it seems as if they added was a little salt. That's it. You taste every ingredient. I could taste the cucumber. I could taste the spinach, the kale, the lime. It is healthy as heck. This is like a cleansing. Like literally, when I was on the plane drinking it, I told my coworker, I was like, I think I want to drink this when I get to the hotel because this looks like you give me diarrhea because it's too healthy for me. Way too healthy. So she had a sip of it and she was like, yeah, you're right. This is just one of those too healthy drink. But thanks, date, for giving me this. Evolution, thank you so much because it's doing a lot of things in my stomach right now, and I'm gonna drink some tonight. So I'm like, every night I'm drinking sips by sips by sips. So this is like my cleansing for sure. So if you guys are super healthy as this is, then definitely check that out. It's the healthiest thing you can have. Like literally, this is just what it said it is. Only thing you can taste is the salt. That's it. Good morning, beautiful people. It's another day to make another dollar. It's go home day today. So it's a 3-day trip, 24-hour layover. Good to go. Yes, it's a long day. I have 5 legs today. Right now it is 5:30. Well, 5:20 because my fan time is 5:30. And I don't get to base until 5 p.m. So it's a long day for me. And my crew, I'm with the same crew I was with, speaking of the trip, I am flight attendant C. I'm flight attendant C for the whole pairing. It's cold outside, guys. It's cold. I'm in the tropical weather, but still it's in the mornings, it's a little chilly. So I put this jacket on. Oh no, my suitcase haven't completely dried from it. Yesterday got wet. When I get to base, I'm gonna have to do something about that. I'm sorry, I'm trying to put my jacket on and I'm struggling to find the sleeve. Okay, here we go. All right, make sure I have everything before I leave the hotel motel because we all leave stuff in here. And I ain't trying to give the hotel any more stuff. Just get my purse for sure. Yes, got everything. Put this here. I don't even know where my other key is. Oh, so I got me my coffee, my instant coffee as usual. The hotel do give to-go bags normally when it's when we leave before breakfast starts, free breakfast. They give us a to-go bag, and I think this hotel they give us fruit as a to-go bag. You know, something's better than nothing. You know, I don't mind because it's free, anyways. So I'm gonna get my to-go bag when I go downstairs. Our show time is 6:10, but we do have to leave a little early because they run every 30 minutes.